some 12 years ago. They found each other on the internet. No common friends, just two clueless strangers who made the best decisions to meet each other in person.
What am I waiting for? If you plan to believe, my compass, my transport.
Oliver, Monique, from now on, you are now one flesh in the eyes of God and of His people.
Dear Baba, wow, imagine, 11 years na and now we are just a few hours away. As I sit here and getting ready, sobrang anxious ko but also excited, knowing that I'm finally about to marry my best friend and favorite kaaway. Not really. Dahil sa mga pinagdaanan ko, alam ko na ang halaga ng buhay ko. Hindi ko ito minamaliit. At ang buhay na ito ay matagal ko nang binigay sa iyo.
As we become one unit today, I vow to be your lawful wife. I vow to dedicate my life to being by your side through every high and every low, ensuring you never have to face the world alone again.
Tinuro sa akin ng buhay sa masakit na paraan na hindi ko hawak ang bukas. Kaya hindi ako tatayo rito para mangako ng mga bagay na hindi ko naman kontrolado. But looking around, it looks like we have done okay so far, even without the plans.
Good life sa magiging new life mo. Ang wish ko sa iyo ay sana maging maganda yung samahan niyo ni Oli.
All my life, I've been searching so far and wide.
Thank you for welcoming me so warmly into the family. I'm so happy that we have so much in common and share the same favorites in many things. As I officially become your sister today, I want you to know that I am always here for you like a true sister. Hope we become even closer in the years ahead. With love, and
You only feel it once in a lifetime. Feel it once in a lifetime.
Sa halip na mga ako na ako ang laging magliligtas sa'yo, mas pipiliin ko na maging tapat. Kasi sa totoo lang, mas kakailanganin kita sa buhay ko. Kailangan ko yung kamay mo para alalayan ako tuwing nagiging magulo yung buhay ko. At aminin ko, mas kakailanganin din kita magmaneho para sa akin sa mga ating mga lalakbayin.
Once in a lifetime. Time moves slow, so keep on holding on, don't let go.
Yeah, picture nga yung forever.
Everything is right, heart and soul.
Congrats! Kakasal
Right at home. I've been waiting forever just to find you. You. I've been waiting forever just to find you. You only feel it once in a lifetime. Feel it once in a lifetime. Don't pass it up when you see it coming. You feel the rush when the wind is running. Feel it once in a lifetime.
I promise to be your greatest supporter, your most trusted teammate, and the heart of the home we are creating together. You are my partner, my love, my forever. Through every season, I'm yours.
Tatay, nanay,
Yes po. Yes po. Thank you po.
Don't pass it up when you see it coming. You feel the rush when